Righto, tell you how there, champs, how you doing today? Hope you're all doing well. Now, is this the best laptop of 2018? I have a deal for you guys. If you're stuck with Windows Home and you want to get Windows Pro, or you just want cheap office keys, gaming keys, or gift card vouchers, head on down to 09, look in the description for the links and a discount code to get even more of a discount. Now, best is subjective, of course, but have a look at my man T.
And so I'm going to give the Huawei MateBook X Pro #1 spot here for 2018 as far as the 13-inch ultra portable category.
If he says it's the best, who am I to argue? What's best for you may not be best for me. And personally, I like my 15-inch laptops, and I will tell you my best laptops tomorrow probably. So stay tuned for that one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Best laptops of 2018. But this is a big candidate, I can tell you right now, especially for the ultra portable or 13-inch, even though it is a 14-inch. But listen to this. This laptop here is thinner than a MacBook Pro 13-inch. It's the same weight as a MacBook Pro 13-inch. Its display's bigger. It also has a 3:2 ratio display, so it has a tall display. And it's much cheaper than a MacBook Pro 13-inch. And this is a dream, right? So we'll unbox it. We'll have a quick look here, classic look here. And we'll be doing reviews on this. Make sure you subscribe to see this. It's just dropped in Australia and the UK. I've been waiting for this for a long time, I can tell you. And this thing is actually taking Infinity Edge displays to the next level because virtually got rid of the chin now. I mean, it's got a bit of a chin, but yeah, very thin bezels and one of the best displays you're going to see on a laptop. Perfect size in between a 15 and a 13. And as I said, I love 15-inch laptops for the power they give you, discrete graphics, a bigger display. They just have the grunt I need. But I do review a lot of 13-inch laptops. And then when I go back to a 15-inch laptop, I'm like, yeah, I wish this was a bit smaller. But yeah, of course, you can't have everything. You have to make a compromise somewhere. But this is like the perfect sweet spot in between the two. The perfect compromise almost. So this one has the 8th generation i7U part. So this is a quad core part. It also has a MX150 graphics card, 2GB MX150 graphics card. It's very unique. I mean, the closest thing to this, I think it was Zeus had one with a MX150 that's sort of around the same weight and size, but this is better than that one. Better display, and it has more RAM, etc. Also the Surface Book 2, but the Surface Book 2 is a fair bit heavier than this. I mean, the Surface Book 2 is like 1.6 kilo, 3.6 pounds. This is actually 1.3 kilos, 3 pounds, just like the MacBook Pro 13-inch, which is the same weight. It's actually thinner than the MacBook Pro, 14.6 millimeters versus 14.9 on the MacBook Pro 13. And of course, the Surface Book 2 is quite thick because it has that scorpion hinge. So make sure you subscribe. I can't wait to get stuck into this, but I've had the dream for a long time to have that 14-inch laptop, and even better with a 3:2 display with graphics cards and quad core power here. Thin and as light as a 13-inch laptop. And although, yes, it's not going to blow you away with the MX150 graphics, but hey, it gets the job done for gaming and for video editing, but much more portable. It's the perfect travel laptop. And I wonder, just wonder, given this is a 65-watt TDP or power supply in here, I just wonder if they could put a Vega 20 in here. I think they could. Imagine that with 4GB Vega 20. But anyway, I think it's going to be one of the top laptops this year for sure. Make sure you stay tuned for my best 2018 laptops. But my man T, he said it was the best this year. Certainly in the ultra portables. Yeah, it's going to be hard to beat in that category. Anyway, catch you in the next one. Tally ho.